Today's video, we will discuss an important topic, and that is the Islamic method of removing pubic hair for women. Islam not only teaches us about acts of worship, but also provides guidance in the small details of our daily lives. Islam is a complete way of life, and that is why cleanliness holds a very high status in it. It should be remembered that cleanliness is not only outward but inward as well. Among the outward practices, an important one for women is the removal of pubic hair, which is from the sunnah of the Prophet. The Prophet said, 5 practices are from the fitra natural disposition: circumcision, removing underarm hair, trimming the nails, trimming the mustache, and shaving the pubic hair. Bukhari and Muslim. In another hadith, it is mentioned, a fixed time was set for us that we should not leave it longer than 40 days, trimming the nails, removing underarm hair, and shaving the pubic hair. Muslim. From this we learn that this practice is not just about cleanliness but is part of Islamic teachings. It is better for a woman to clean this area weekly or every 10 days so that the hair does not grow too much, but in any case, it must not exceed 40 days. Pubic hair refers to the hair growing below the navel and around the private parts. Likewise, if there is excessive hair around the back passage and there is a risk that impurity may get stuck there, then it is also necessary to clean it so that purification is complete and acts of worship like prayer are not affected. Now the question is, what methods can a woman use to remove this hair? The answer is that the Sharia has not prescribed one specific method, rather a woman may choose what is convenient for her. For example, a razor, which is the most common and quick method, scissors or an electric trimmer, hair removal creams, but always those suitable for sensitive skin, waxing, which removes hair from the roots and delays regrowth. However, some important points must always be kept in mind. Always use your own personal tools, never share blades or machines with others, wash the area thoroughly after cleaning, and do not let the hair grow so long that it causes bad odor, infection, or impurity. This practice is not only beneficial for physical health, hygiene, and well-being but is also religiously necessary, since purification is a basic condition for worship in Islam. And as the Hadith says, cleanliness is half of faith. Therefore, every Muslim woman should adopt this sunnah regularly so that she gains benefit in this world and reward in the hereafter as well.